There are two ways to track a project, the right way and this way, and both of these are the same. We started tracking company projects on an Excel financial analysis workbook. Not bad, but we took it one step further and rebuilt it as an app using SharePoint to hold the data and Power Apps to display it. The app matches the company's colors as well as all the fields from Excel. First up, you'll see a gallery of your projects. You can either navigate to a specific project with Navigate Right, or navigate left, or type a project name in the search box. Let's try a few. We know what we want, so let's look at the business acquisition project. As we saw in Excel, there were several tabs for viewing filtered data. The downside of Excel is everything can be accidentally deleted and lost forever. With the app, you have to purposefully do so. Since this isn't an off-the-shelf app, there's a vast amount of white space for additional fields, charts, or graphs. As a final example, let's look at the employee lawsuit project. Mainly, we want to see the chart showing hours and days spent on the project so we can address issues as need be. Shout out to Paralegal as a Service who was featured in the video. Ready to get your app? Contact me today and let's get started. Stay awesome, have a blessed day, and remember, be